Hello YouTube, Assassinated5544 bringing you some Cleverbot. As you can see, my first time doing Cleverbot, I do not know what I'm going to say, what I'm going to do, or anything. So please, don't judge me. Hello Cleverbot. Live. Die. Whoa, you're an awesome singer. Can you do that again? Okay, that's good. That's happening to me quite a lot, where my microphone doesn't recognize what I say. So that is not my fault, that is my retarded microphone fault. What are we going to be ready for? It's messed up. Sometimes it does that. I reckon it's funny. Okay, well when are we going to have phone sex? See how messed up that is? When will we have phone sex? That's a bit mean. I find that really racist. "12 other girls. Fuck. I said other girls. What do you do? You horny bastard. Never. Always. Fuck. Always. Never, ever, ever again. Our love shall never die. No, I said I had 12 other girls. Fuck you. I said I had 12 other girls. No, I said I had. Well, fuck you too, because I'm only 12. Get back right, smart little bitch. Wow. I can't believe they actually came up with a YouTube vid to call you back. Call you. And I'm doing a YouTube vid right now. Well, I love you too. Love Shack, we're a place where we can get together. Love Shack. Ha. Illy. Illy equals I love you. Ha. You still don't know what illy means. Ha 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 ha.